I've gotten flowers now. How do I get flavor? Huh? Flavor Nabania.
A very good friend. When did you become a herbalist?
Becoming a herbalist is not the problem. My problem is how to get flavor to add to this thing.
To do what?
To bake cake.
Esco Petenya.
Now, there's a program coming up.
Initiative for Poverty Elimination and Rural Community Upliftment has set out a date to teach people how to do these things. You know you have body odor.
Of course.
They will teach you how to make perfume.
But I don't have money.
It's free. When you are done with the training, the body will also give you money to start up your own business.
Money.
I'm telling you.
Nimo.
Exactly.
Let's go.